What's up, everybody? It's Nick, the Holla Junk Removal. Pulled up to a house clean out today. What's up, Paul? Good, bro. We're filming. You're live, dude. We're live on my YouTube.
How's it going?
Good, bro. So let's see what Paul's got today.
Right.
Do some cleanup out here. House cleanup. Oceanside. Got all this trash. Look at that. Bags and bags of trash. We love trash.
Yeah.
Are the pallets going?
Yeah, the pallets are going.
Awesome.
Last week they didn't pick up my trash because
they're too heavy?
No, they said it was over full. So this week we'll see, because there's some rocks for, you know, some of this.
As long as they're not heavy, like you can roll them, like they'll lift it.
Yeah. Hopefully they'll.
But I'll be here.
Yeah. Okay.
Are they on their way here? Right? Oh yeah, they'll be here
I
soon.
hear them, so if they don't.
Okay. So you got this.
Gotta get this stuff here.
All the rock. Oh, the coping too, right?
Yeah, all this stuff's got to go away.
Okay.
So they're gonna need to have access so they can start doing construction in the back.
Nice. Let's check it out, dude. Your fucking place is awesome. Oh, you got the gates. These are. Look at these things. These are solid.
We messed up on the
Those
other
are
side.
aluminum?
What's that?
Those are aluminum.
Yeah, those are aluminum gates, and then they poured concrete in here. They bolted that to the new wall.
Wow.
So these are gonna be solid.
Beautiful. And this is your patio?
That's my pergola.
The pergola.
Yeah.
Dang, super nice, super nice.
So I was gonna have this. This is the style that we're doing here,
Those are beautiful, man.
but I can't use those.
Why?
So stupid.
Do you need me to haul them away?
No, because I might use them on different job sites. You know?
Damn, dude, I'd take them.
Yeah.
I'll use them. I'd use those things at my house.
So we were gonna have this gate here that swings out,
Right.
but I need to be able to bring my barbecue to the side. And
So this is in the wrong
that's in the
situation.
wrong spot.
That sucks.
If this was over, we'd have been all right. So I told him we're just gonna dig this out.
Yeah,
which
jackhammer
sucks.
it out and move
Yeah, they're gonna take it out, and he'll probably put a new one in, because this thing is like covered in cement and stuff. I don't know if they can reuse
it. No,
it.
they can. They'll just bust it out around this.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll bust that thing out. They'll reuse that post.
So I'll have him set it to the side, because all he has to do is just move it over.
So did you have to pay for the gate then that they're gonna haul away?
He said he'll work out a deal on the other one, because we had already talked about it and I had agreed to it.
That's
So-
that's not cheap.
No, it's not cheap at all.
That
so-
gate is expensive,
I
bro.
know, but I was like, in the end, I gotta be able to move my shit.
Yeah, this isn't cool. You need a bigger gate.
Yeah, it would have been kind of okay here, but then by the time they put the wall, and then they put the trellis, and they put the
No, it
capstone,
gets narrower.
It just, yeah, and I'm gonna have them move these boxes too. I'm gonna have them move them to like the middle of it. Actually, no, they're gonna be over here now that I think about it.
They're gonna move the valves?
They're gonna move the valves over to here.
Holy shit,
Yeah.
that's some work, dude.
Yeah, it is, but I can't have this shit right here. It's just too convoluted. It's right in the wrong spot.
Oh, do it now.
Yeah, do
In
it
the
now.
pool, they still haven't done your pool yet, though.
No, so they're gonna start digging the footings maybe today.
Yeah.
We have good weather. So as soon as they dig the footings and pour the slab,
They're gonna.
then they can put the pavers up to it. But he says we're about 8 weeks out, because he wants to do his wall here, the first story wall, and then
Crazy.
give us that green light. So
Dude.
that way they won't beat each other.
Well, how long have you been working on this now? 6 months? 8
Well,
months?
It started last October with my old contractor. I wanted it to be done by spring break. And
Yeah,
by
because
spring
we've
break,
come out a couple times.
flipped my lid and fired the contractor. Finally got rid of him. Like, I
Dude,
think
these
it
are
was July
so
1st.
nice, bro.
No, it was really bummed.
Are these steel?
They're aluminum.
Wow.
Yeah, because that's what I wanted. Was aluminum.
That's some cheddar.
Yeah, everybody wanted to do steel, and I was like, no, I'm not doing steel.
'Cause it'll rust.
Because yeah, that and it's heavy, so it'll sag and stuff.
Yeah.
I was like, get that steel shit out of here.
Okay,
It's really
so-
hard to find this guy, so he does aluminum.
Wow, they're super nice.
Yeah.
And he bolted it right through.
Yeah.
Wow, he did really good. He cut it out, everything. Super nice
He
job.
did a really clean job.
Okay, well, I'll get this up, and then we'll pick up all this
All right.
heavy shit.
I know.
Get
Need
all
my help
this.
with any of this stuff?
No, you know how it is.
My checkbook real quick.
Let me just,
And then I'm getting these little pieces of metal here too. Stuff out of here.
okay. So we'll get this all cleaned up for you right away.
Yeah.
Super, no problem. Let me just make some room in the truck, in the junk truck, for all the holla. So if you need anything cleaned up, holler, junk removal, 760-331-3289. Give us a call. I don't know what he's saying. Same day, next day. Guaranteed. So Paul, how many times have we been out here now? 5 times?
About 5 times, I think, yeah. I'm sure we have.
And what do you think? Our service is good, right?
It's Great.
Yeah, yeah. See that? Number one. Oh, we got a phone call. So let's see who this is. Hang on. We got some more customers calling right now. We're live. Hello, is Nick the junk guy? No. Damn spam calls. There's always spam callers, man.
I know.
They're like, oh, we work for Google. I'm like, oh, you work for Google, dude? I don't think so. These pots, all recyclable. All these flats, people reuse them. This is all our trash pile. So then we got to get all the pallets, all that stone, and this little trampoline thing, which is recyclable. And then we got to clean up our mess. But if you need a house cleaned up, give us a call. hollerjunkremoval.com 760-331-3289. We'll be there.